Musalia Mudavadi nigaikirana Chinsemo ya KICC iligosanga na begenwa okwana nigamurikira emichando ensi ya Kenya gendete gwitira ase Chinsemo nigaineke buna kubwatikana no Omorakera oenikiwe ase gikabono nigogwetania abantu CHIMIRIONI 2.5 bagendete gwitira amakongo kubwatikana no kuburo kwa mache nabo igo endagera nanya nabo nigo chinsi chinde buna Somalia, Tanzania nabo igo Uganda babwate omochando yo waigo nige kanisa yaboligwa kubasira asekerenga kigokora omochando yo.
Fellow Kenyans, currently some parts of our country and the region are facing devastating drought occasioned by the shortest rainfall recorded in recent times. An estimated 2.5 million citizens are at risk of severe hunger and water scarcity if the drought persists. The National Drought Management Authority reports that 10 counties, mainly in North and Eastern Kenya, are experiencing drought, with Mandera in the critical alarm phase. Neighboring countries, Somalia, Tanzania, and Uganda, are also facing similar conditions, putting millions at risk. Therefore, as we seek special prayers for those affected by drought, we urge religious organizations to continue supporting the government's humanitarian and food security efforts. Furthermore, I ask for special prayers and goodwill support for our first cohort of senior secondary learners under the competency-based curriculum, CBC, as they adjust to their new learning environment and stage of education. And indeed, this was also flagged by the judiciary. Ongoing conflicts within our region continue to forcefully displace populations, resulting in profound human suffering and worsening humanitarian crisis. In Sudan, over 12 million people have been displaced, with over 9 million internally displaced persons and an estimated 4 million seeking refuge in neighboring countries. Addressing this humanitarian crisis requires coordinated regional and global action, including support from religious groups,